It's time to play. Let's go on an ABC adventure today. A is for airplane flying in the sky. B is for bubbles that we love to pop and try. C is for cat that purrs so sweet. D is for dog who wags his feet. A, B, C, come along and see. Everyone's got a fun story. D, E, F, sing along with glee. Our ABC adventure is the best you'll see. E is for elephant with big floppy ears. F is for fish that swims without any fears. G is for giraffe reaching high for a snack. H is for hat that we can wear with a knack. A, B, C, come along and see. Every letter's got a fun story. D, E, F, sing along with glee. Our ABC adventure is the best you'll see. I is for ice cream on a hot sunny day. J is for jelly bean in every color display. K is for kite that flies in the breeze. L is for lion who roars with ease. A, B, C, come along and see. Every letter's got a fun story. D, E, F, sing along with glee. Our ABC adventure is the best you'll see. M is for moon shining bright in the night. N is for nest with birds taking flight. O is for octopus swimming in the deep. P is for parrot that loves to peep. A, B, C, come along and see. Every letter's got a fun story. D, E, F, sing along with glee. Our ABC adventure is the best you'll see. Q is for queen in a castle so grand. R is for rainbow that colors the land. S is for sunshine that makes us all play. T is for train that chugs along the way. A, B, C, come along and see. Every letter's got a fun story. D, E, F, sing along with glee. Our ABC adventure is the best you'll see. U is for umbrella on a rainy day. V is for violin that makes music play. W is for whale swimming in the sea. X is for xylophone with melodies. A, B, C, come along and see. Every letter's got a fun story. D, E, F, sing along with glee. Our ABC adventure is the best you'll see. Y is for yo-yo spinning up and down. Z is for zebra with stripes all around. Now our ABC adventure's through. Thanks for singing along, we had fun with you. A, B, C, come along and see. Every letter's got a fun story. D, E, F, sing along with glee. Our ABC adventure was the best you'll see. Ow! Yo-yo! I'll go on an ABC adventure today. I'll go on an yo-yo, go on an ABC adventure today.
Subscribe to my channel.